Most people building AI agents right now are making the same mistake. They set up Hermes or OpenClaw, everything works great for a few days and then slowly things start getting weird. The outputs become generic, memory gets messy, the agents start forgetting what actually matters, and suddenly you are spending more time fixing the system than the system is saving you. I hit that exact well myself. I had a full OpenClaw setup running for my YouTube workflow. At first, it was amazing. Then after a few weeks, every script started sounding the same, like generic AI content with extra caffeine. The memory gets noisy, the context become bloated, and cleaning everything manually become a headache. That's when I started testing Hermes Agent. And honestly, some parts of it genuinely surprised me. So in this video, I will show you what Hermes actually is, how it compares to OpenClaw, what it really costs to run, a few real projects you can build with it, and the mistakes most tutorial completely ignore. Let's get into it. Hermes is an open source AI agent made by Nose Research. You run it on your own server. It can connect to Telegram or Discord, and it keeps working in the background 24/7. But the interesting part is this: Hermes can actually learn from repetition. Here is what I mean. You give it a task, maybe a content research, maybe writing post, or maybe something sorting data. After doing similar task multiple times, Hermes starts building reusable workflow by itself. So instead of starting from zero every time, it remembers the pattern, and over time those workflows get better and better. That part is genuinely useful, right? With OpenClaw, I used to manually create skills for everything, but with Hermes, I repeated my research workflow maybe 5 or 6 times, and it basically built the process on its own. Now it runs cleaner than my original version. Now let's talk about the comparison everyone actually cares about. OpenClaw has the bigger community, more stars, more tutorials, and more plugins definitely. But day-to-day uses, the difference really comes down to 3 things. First, learning. OpenClaw skills are mostly manual. You create them or install them and then maintain them yourself. In Hermes, it's a bit different. It watches repeated actions, then slowly improves the workflow over time. Second, memory. This is where a lot of people struggle. With OpenClaw, memory can become huge if you use it for many things like content, coding, research, automation. Everything gets mixed together. Eventually, the responses start drifting. Hermes feels lighter. Instead of loading everything all the time, it only pulls extra memory when needed. That means fewer hallucination, lower API cost, and more focused response. Third, multi-agent setups. This is where OpenClaw is stronger. You can have multiple agents talking to each other. One does research, one can write, and one can review. Very cool in theory, right? But honestly, I have seen more people break their setup than actually using it properly. Hermes keeps things simpler. Sub-agents work independently. They do the task, report back, done. Less fancy, right? But also fewer things exploding at 2 AM. Now let's talk about the cost. Because most videos avoid real numbers, you basically have 2 costs: your VPS costing and your API bill. For the VPS, something basic from Hostinger or DigitalOcean, it's enough to start. Usually around $8 to $15 per month. 4GB RAM is completely fine for beginners. Then comes API uses. If you are using OpenRouter, you can actually start with a free models, and honestly, that's what I recommend in the beginning. Don't burn money testing automations. For personal use, you will probably spend around $3 to $6 monthly on API. So total cost roughly $15 to $25 per month. But please set a spending cap first before any automation. Seriously, one broken automation loop can turn into surprise $100 bill overnight. And definitely nobody wants that character development arc. Here is the setup mindset you actually need. You don't need some crazy infrastructure. The easiest setup is Linux VPS, Docker, Hermes, Telegram bot. That's it. Simple, right? You can install Hermes, connect with your API, then connect Telegram, and now your AI agent basically lives inside your Telegram. One setting I highly recommend you to enable: daily session reset. If you never reset your sessions, the context keep growing forever, which means higher cost, slower response, and worse quality. You are literally paying more money for ORS output. Now, the fun part. 3 real projects you can build with Hermes right now. First, social media automation. Second idea, AI customer support. Third project, personal daily briefing. One thing I want to seriously mention before you try this, security matters. Don't run those agents on your personal machine. Seriously, those agents can access files, run comments, automate stuff. So if something goes wrong, you do not want to touch your personal system definitely, right? Use a clean VPS, keep production systems isolated, rotate API keys occasionally, and test everything in a sandbox first, especially if client data is involved. So overall, Hermes is not an OpenClaw alternative or replacement. They are different tools. OpenClaw is stronger for complex multi-agent systems. Hermes is better if you want simpler workflow, lean memory, lower cost, and self-improving automation. Right now, I actually use both, and together they are ridiculously powerful. That's it for today. Right now, I believe you have good understanding about Hermes Agent and also why it's different than OpenClaw. I believe this video is helpful for you. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. I am Ali Hossain. See you in the next video.